What's up, guys? It's TanookiBoi. You already know what it is. And today, we got a new package. This time being Black Yoshi. And this is actually the 2015 Sanei one, so I bet he's gonna be, like, kinda like the same size as Mario, so. Let's get this unboxed. eBay tape. Okay. I gotta get the other layer off now. Oh, for God's sake. Just open it from here. There we go. I can see something. Huh. Came in paper packaging. That's a first. And here is Black Yoshi. Wow, he is pretty nice. Really dig this plush. Oh wow. He is really detailed and nice. Ooh. Wow, this is nice. Wow, his arms. His face. Let me see. I think I just fixed his face. But other than that, this is a good Black Yoshi plush. And when you stand Mario up, he is definitely like smaller than Mario. Probably by like an inch. But it's a good Black Yoshi plush, I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, let's see what he looks like in the shoes and stuff. Alright guys, so I fixed him up and here's what he looks like with the stuff on. Yup, definitely looks accurate to the SML Black Yoshi. But it's just we'll just call him the bigger version. But yeah, it looks pretty accurate. Thing inside the shoes and the chain. I mean, he does look pretty accurate. This is a really cool Black Yoshi. I'm really glad to have this dude. Now I can add on to my Yoshi collection. Well, now that I have this Black Yoshi, there goes another Yoshi in my collection. So yeah, guys. That is the 2015 Sanei Black Yoshi plush. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. TanookiBoi out.